Every day, security teams get hundreds or even thousands of alerts. Most of them are harmless, some are serious, but humans have to check almost all of them manually, and that takes time, energy, and focus. So, what if AI could help security teams to do this work faster and smarter? That idea is called as Agentic SOC. An Agentic SOC uses AI agents, software entities powered by large language models and automation to perform security tasks autonomously or semi autonomously. Each agent has a role like triage agent, investigation agent, threat intelligence agent, response agent. They collaborate like a team of analysts but faster at scale. Let's say there is a strange login from another country. The AI agent checks if the login is unusual for that user, looks at another logs from the computer, check if the IP address is known to be malicious, and then decides if this looks like an attack or not. Then it tells the human analyst this looks like a stolen password. I recommend blocking the login and resetting the password. The human can approve it and the system acts immediately. Why this is important? The agentic SOC allows 24 by 7 monitoring without any human intervention and also allows automatic threat hunting, automated response, faster incident investigations, and moreover, it reduces the analyst workload. The good news is they don't replace analysts, they turn analysts into supervisors, architects, and decision makers. So, if you are an SOC analyst or you are willing to enter into blue teaming, then I am attaching the complete agentic SOC operations roadmap in the description. Thank you.